Hi everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. I just hope that you're having a great day. So first I just like to say thanks to each and every one of you guys who got the channel to 20k subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Today we're here to look at bargain properties, and I have a lot of bargains for you guys today coming from the area of St. Catherine. But enough of the chattings, I know when you're ready for the video. When you're ready? Run me intro. All right. So the first property on the list is a 4-bedroom house that I found on the Keller Williams website that is located in the Linstead area, Linstead Yuatan area of St. Catherine. All right, it's been sold by Mr. Ryan Minot. You can reach out to him at 876 585 9042, and it is going for an asking price of 15 million Jamaican dollars, or US $97,460, or Canadian $124,152, or 74,657 Great British pounds, or 86,866 euros. Now, let's take a look at the property. So starting off, we can see where it is a split level home. It does need some modernizing, but it looks like you have good land space. I'm seeing what looks like coconut trees in the back, looking like breadfruit trees to the side as well. So you have a little backyard garden already started for you. I don't know if it's land space in front is all yours, but based on this graphical representation, this bird's eye view overhead shot, it seems as though you have a good chunk of land space as well. All right. Yeah, they're really just showing us the outside, and that's pretty much it in terms of the visuals for the house. Let's check out the description. So this split level 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom family residence in the Sunnyside community. It is ideally positioned just outside Linstead Town, Yuatan Square, and the Linstead Bypass. So property details, it is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with a lot size of 9,529 square feet. This reminds me of an episode of Dragon Ball Z. His power level is over 9,000? And I remember that from when I was a kid. If you guys know what I'm talking about, comment it down below. Alright? So in terms of interior amenities, it has ceramic tiles. Again, the lot size is 9,529 square feet. Site influences include easy access, roads paved, family oriented, level lot, senior oriented, and the other features are garden area and grill. Let me know what you guys think of this property. Can you see yourself buying it and then renovating it to making it into the home of your dreams, or a rental property? Whatever it is the case may be, if you would buy this property, let me know why. And if you would not buy this property, let me know why as well down in the comment section down below, alright? Alright, so the second property on this list is found on the Keller Williams Realty website as well, and it is being sold by Miss Carol Llewellyn, and you can contact her at 876-396-8585. It is a 3-bedroom, as I said before, and it's being sold for $15 million Jamaican, or 97,460 USD, or 124,152 Canadian, or 74,657 Great British pounds, or 86,866 euros. So let's dive into what this place looks like. So we can see where there is vintage style windows, slab top. It's on one level, bungalow style home. And looking on the inside, doesn't look that bad at all. Looks like you can move in right away if you make the purchase and then fix it up over time. I realize with a lot of Jamaicans, we don't really have the foresight, because my content is mostly Jamaican. 65% of you guys who are watching are Jamaicans. So most of you don't have the foresight to visualize what a place can be if it's not like this beautiful place out the gate, right? And with the prices that I see real estate going for right now, some of the times you have to look to buy in these price points and then fix them up over time. All right, so just bear that in mind. I'm not a realtor, so don't take anything that I say as professional advice. I'm just talking my own opinion. So this is, I guess this is like the family area or something, or the living room. Then you have the gate on the outside, and it looks like it's grilled on the inside as well. That looks like there's a grill right there, by the door. The kitchen again from another view. Looks like additional storage spaces. Bathroom, you see me? Bathroom, vintage style, shower tub combo, but can be upgraded. Link up my good friend, Shantier Constructions. I'll put a link to her business and her YouTube channel down in the comment section below. And she'll renovate your bathroom, she'll renovate your kitchen. Easy, easy peasy. Even this room looks really nice with the light coming through the windows and the purple room. I would live in this room. This room looks good. Another bathroom, right? Yeah, I guess this is the living room or the dining room. And you have some yard space, and it looks as though you can walk entirely around the house, which is always a nice touch. You know, if you're up on anybody armpit. Yeah, man. So this place is pretty decent, pretty decent. Let's see what the description says. So this three bedroom, two bathroom house for sale in the Signum Villas area. Um, a family oriented community just off Old Harbor Road. This house is spacious with a large kitchen, generous living and dining area, and a family room. The house needs the house is in need of TLC. Same thing when I say a little bit of TLC and your personal touch to transform it to a beautiful family home. Call for your viewing appointment today. So again, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathroom, lot size of 4,890 square feet, ceramic tiling, easy access, quiet area, family oriented, roads paved, recreational areas nearby, grilled and fully fenced. Tell me if you guys agree with me that this also can work with. If you buy it, you can fix it up over time and make it into the house of your dreams or the house of your own. Let me know. Comment it down below. And if you don't like it none at all, comment it down below and tell me why you don't like it. I find that sometimes people say, "Me don't like this," and they don't explain why, so I can understand their perspective. Alright? So yeah, moving on to the last and final house, house number 3. Let's jump into it. Alright, so the third and final property I found on the H Batik T/A Total Property Agents website, and it is a 5 bedroom property located in St. Catherine that is going for an asking price of 17 million Jamaican dollars. You can reach out to Mr. Horace Batik. Here's his contact information in terms of if you would like to purchase this particular house. He's the one listing it. But we can jump over to the Keller Williams website just to look at the property with a bit more ease, and also to tell you that the US value is $110,454. Canadian is $140,705. 84,611 Great British Pounds, and 98,448 euros. Alright, so looking at the property itself from the images, you can see that it is a 2-story house. It has green paint, slab top. Looks like it has some banana trees in the backyard. The roads surrounding area is paved and other big developments are there in terms of two-story houses. So this would hopefully bring up the value of these houses over time if more of these bigger buildings continue to be built in the area. Don't quote me on that as well. I'm not a valuator. So this is inside the house. This looks like either a bedroom or a living room space. Another bedroom, the same bedroom, living area with additional storage space next to it. Living area again. Bedroom, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, bathroom, kitchen and the bathroom want some TLC, definitely. Um, Dining area. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for the house. Let's see what Mr. Horace Batik said with regards to this place. The lovely 5 bedroom, 2-story house in great condition in a quiet neighborhood, and it is located at 180 Dolphin Way, St. Catherine, Old Harbor. All right. Oh, and the floor space is 2,900 square feet, and it sits on a lot size of 0.13 acres. Open parking. All right, yeah, that's pretty much it for this. Let me know if you like this one. Yeah, I'm not really feeling this one that much, but there's definitely somebody out there that will be feeling it, and that's all that matters. So reach out to Mr. Horace if you want to make a purchase of this one, and comment down below. If you've gotten to this far in the video, leave a comment, like this video if you actually like it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to support my dream of becoming a full-time YouTuber by the end of 2022, and that is my goal. And don't forget that the goal is to live life on your own terms. All right, guys, that has been enough from me, AB, signing out.